Okay, so I forgot to film, but we're out here hiking. Already made it to the point. Isn't that far of a hike down to the like viewpoint, but this is it. It's so pretty. It's so peaceful. But we're about to go hiking all the way up there. Ooh. Look how pretty. Okay, we're gonna hike all the way up that to the top. Also, if I was a snake, here this is. Look at that little textured rock. It ain't scary at all. So this is short, and I'm short. That's saying something. Okay, this is the way down. We just came from that way. That was easier to get down than I thought. But this right here, I don't know. We'll make it though.
Let's hike up behind the waterfall, back up in the woods, you know. When we come across a single...
Followed them out because we were having good conversation. They were going to hike Yosemite. They were telling me all about that. He's rappelled down that, and that just sounds like a whole lot of fun to me. Like, I would love to do that.